Hi guys, my fellow auto dealers, auto importers. I bring something new to you today, which is Clea. What we do is we help you to make payments online without the help of any middleman or any agent. Now, are you an auto importer or a car dealer in Nigeria who buys from the US and ships to Nigeria? We have a platform that can help you out with payments. Now, what you will simply do is to go on your laptop, open the app or on your phone, and then you can always make your transaction within minutes. Now, this is how it will work out. Let me show it to you.
The first thing we have to do is log into IAAI. So as you can see, we go to the IAAI website, then we do our login. I'm just going to quickly do that. Okay, so we've logged into our IAAI account, and then we have gone to our invoices that are to be paid, and these are the invoices that I have for now. But as of today, I'll be paying for this and this one. So now what that means is I can check the total amount that I need to pay, which is 6,205, and then I can proceed with Clea to make my payment. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to log into Clea. I also have to add the beneficiary. So to get the IAAI beneficiary, you use this particular link here. So when I click on it, it opens a PDF form, which is this one. Hopefully I can get that open. So okay, so we've been able to log into our Clea account. You can see our account, and you can see the inflow that we've been having into the accounts for different payments. Well, this is also towards this IAAI payment, because I also want to pay for this GLC, but the payment is not complete. So that's that. But to avoid delays, I want to pay for this too, and then make sure that that goes through today, and I can arrange for the next step, which is pickup. So now these are my payments and all of that. It's a very simple process. Once you create once you sign up on Clea, the default is that they are going to give you a we're going to create a Naira account for you, which is either from bank transfer, you understand, and that's what we would use, or that's what you would be using to fund your account and to make conversions and all of that. So for security purpose, I would not show my account information, but definitely, as you can see, these are top-ups, and you can see the different dates that they were made, some over the weekend, some last week, and that's how it works. So now I want to make this payment of 6,205, and I want to be sure of how much the charges are. But before I can make that payment, I need to add a beneficiary. So I'll walk you through the process of adding a beneficiary. So you come here and you click this add beneficiary, you add the name. I have the IAAI document, so I'll be shuffling in and out. So account name is Insurance Auto Auctions. I'll paste it here. Beneficiary type is a business. Industry, I'll pick automotive. So if it's like a shipper or an individual, I'll just pick the right what they call it, industry. Relationship, I'll call them my supplier. Street address, IAAI street address is usually at the bottom of that page, which is number 2 Westbrook Center, this long thing here, and I'll paste it in this place. Well, it doesn't take everything, but that's fine, it's all right. The zip code is 60154. Just copying that. State is Illinois, city is Westchester, so country is United States. State is Illinois, and then this is Westchester. So I just click continue. Don't worry, this place that doesn't complete, don't worry about it, it's all good. It says street number must start with a street. Oh, my bad. So 2 number, let me confirm this, 10th floor. So THFL, let's see. It doesn't take it, which is still fine. So continue. Account number. So if I go to IAAI's what they call it, the wire instruction document is there. Paste it here. Always remember to cross check. Please, very, very important. Cross check. Account type is a checking, currency is USD, routing number is this. So automatically the system will generate the routing, the bank name associated to that routing number. Payment method for IAAI or co-part is Fedwire. Now, next thing, bank address. Well, we have the bank address here, which is the 100 West 33rd, whatever. Paste it, and then I'll just use the remaining to fill up the information that I need on my sheets. So, and this is New York. Then I can clean up this one, and all I have to do is complete. Since bank information validated successfully, well, then the next step is just submit beneficiary. But please verify that everything here under the account details is correct. So Fedwire, routing number, account number. If your routing number is correct, then automatically the bank name will be generated by the system, and then you should be good. So I will not be saving because I already have IAAI saved. So let's go back to home. So now I want to send 6205 as earlier discussed, which is here. I click on Clea, click on send. Now this is how I know my charges. Like I said, IAAI is already on my list, which is here. I click on continue, and then I put the value 6205 in here. Now when I put in the amount I want and the sender, automatically it tells me the fee. So it means that by default, when I want to send 6205, I will be charged a total of 6,258.62. So what I just do is come here, copy that total amount, then go to convert, put it in here, and now I know exactly how much I need to pay for this car. I don't know. So instead of me to send, I want to send 6205. It means that I'll be crediting this my Clea Naira account with the total of USD of 6,258 in Naira equivalent 0.62. So you understand? So that's 8,849,688.68. Since I already have more than enough in my account, I'm just going to do a convert. You can see the exchange rate is there already. I already know what the exchange rate is based on even what was shown on the previous screen as well. And then I hit continue. Now my dollar is converted successfully into my account. If you look at the traces here, you see my transaction list. You see here where it says from NGN to USD, which you can view, and you can see it's all correct. That's the receipt. So now next thing is go back to home, hit send, and this time I want to choose insurance auto auctions and choose continue. My 6205 initially that I wanted to send, remember that I've already converted, so I'm good. Now this is where for IAAI you need to take note. IAAI says that for you to make a transfer to them, you must include a reference that says vehicle purchase for buyer number, and then you add your string of buyer number. So it's going to be vehicle purchase for buyer, and then I will add my buyer number and what they call it, I think it's 697. I'll add the remaining ones and come back to the screen. Okay, so I've added number, which is this, and then I'm just verifying everything. Beneficiary receives. Oh, you see there's an issue. Let me confirm this. 6205. Please note that sometimes when you scroll down, it could change the number, so just adjust that and make sure everything is correct. So 6205, vehicle purchase for 697, and then continue. Right, verify everything is correct. Let's see again, 6205, confirm and send. Now to put a pin code here, I'll put in my pin code, click on send, confirm and send, and then we are good. So pin code has been put in. Now next thing is to hit send. So you see from here, it says transfer is now processing. You'll be notified once completed. I want to try and see if we can get a date. So let me try to see something. Let's see if we can get a time for this. I just want to quickly show something. So it says today, for the sake of what they call it, proof of time and whatever, and real life show. This is 15. This is 1500, which is 3 p.m. Nigerian time, Monday, 16th March 2026. So I've just initiated my transfer. It will process on the back end, and then we will see what happens. Right, or better still, I will show when IAAI actually credits my account with this exact amount of 6205. All right, guys, I'll see you at the next video, which will show once I receive the money in Nigerian time as well. All right, so we have made our payment 6205. Just to recap, we sent it from Clea. You will see before it was pending, now it is at success, and we are currently here. So you can see the trail from Clea. This is my Clea. This is where my emails from Clea are generated. You can see wallet was funded, well, conversion successful, which is the 6528 after we found out how much it was going to cost us to send 6205. You can see the conversion rate here, the exchange rate was mentioned, transaction ID, and then did you see something at 3:25? So basically it took 25 minutes for IAAI to credit my account after the funds were sent from Clea. So for me, this is as good as it gets. I don't need to stress myself. All I did was pay money into my IAAI account, and within 25 minutes that's pay money into my IAAI account from Clea, and within 25 minutes is in my what do you call it, IAAI account as a credit. So this is very, very fast. Some days, depending on the what do you call it, how fast IAAI credits your account, it might take a little longer, but maximum within an hour 30 minutes, the money should be in your account. So I'm short of words, but I don't know what else to say. If you are not using Clea yet, well, I must say that maybe you really like to stress yourself or something, but this is the right way to go. Clea is easy, it is fast, it is safe. Like, there's no middleman, there's no third party. No, I click send, I credit my account myself in my name, I click send, and then the money is in my account real time. Updates are coming real time, as you can see. So anyways, thank you so much, guys.
Okay, so I bought my car, I'm ready to pay. I've logged into the app of my browser. I've credited my Naira into my preferred Naira account that has been generated for me. And then the only thing I need to do is just click convert. Convert, I see the rates that I'm going to be converting at. I see the beneficiary, I want to confirm the beneficiary I want to send it to. And then all I need to do is hit send, put in my PIN, and I'm good to go. The beauty about Clea is that the moment you hit send, you get real live notifications that tell you your payment is being converted, or your beneficiary has been, your payment has been processed, and then your beneficiary has received the fund. At the end of the day, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and maximum, it doesn't even take time. Before you even get to have a discussion, come back, your money is already in your Copat or IAI account. That's simple. And then no middlemen, no hidden fees, nobody telling you I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm going, I'm coming, or I'm doing something. Very fast, very efficient. If you are still chasing somebody to be looking for how to make your payment, why not try Clear? Very simple, very easy, and you never left your office.